Hey y'all, I'm feeling myself. As you can tell, I'm feeling myself just a tad bit. But welcome. Hi. This is a bad intro. Welcome to my channel, y'all. As you can tell by the video, as you can tell by my hair flip, this is what we're gonna be talking about today. This braid, this doo-doo braid, this extended braid. Anyways, y'all, if y'all want to know how I did this braid, then go ahead and keep on watching. And let's just get right into the video. So my hair is a mess, clearly. I usually fall asleep with it already in a braid so it doesn't get nappy, but this gets all like messed up. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna need to do the braid. First, you want to definitely have some pre-stretched hair. You want to have your barrettes, a spray bottle, a rubber band to tie the hair at the end. I have a comb to like comb out my hair, and then this hard brush to like make sure everything is sleeked back. Then I also have some mousse. Any mousse is fine. I have my edge control and my got to be glue. If you want to like really have your hair like nice and like sleek back, which I do. So for this video, I'm thinking I'm just gonna do like a slick back kind of look like I did all the time. You can do it however. I'm gonna start by taking this out. So what I'm gonna start by doing is just like pretty much combing out the hair. So I'm gonna shake my spray bottle. I have like a leave-in kind of treatment, leave-in conditioner treatment inside the bottle mixed with some water, and I'm just gonna spray that on the front of my hair. And now we take my barrette. We're gonna start combing this back. I'm gonna comb this back. And it doesn't have to be like perfect. This is what I do to get a perfect pony. I just like comb it back, put it up nice and tight. So I put this up nice and tight, sleek it back here. So I know it gives you those little bumps in the end, but we're gonna take out the pony and redo it. This is where I'll take my edge control. I like it because it holds down the hair a lot, like the baby hairs. So I put that on first, and I don't go to the front because I'm gonna take out my edges later. So now I'm gonna take my glue spray and spray that, sleek that all the way back. I'm also gonna take it underneath here. And we're just gonna sleek that up. So now you have your sleek pony, but you want to take it out. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it out to redo the pony so that all these lumps can go back. And while that is drying up, I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna part it. So I'm probably gonna do like 4 pieces of hair. I'm gonna add a thin piece of hair first because my hair is thick. and then I'm gonna add the thicker towards the end, because when your hair is running out, you don't want the braid to go from thick to thin. So I'm gonna take out my thick piece. So I'm just gonna part it, and I'm gonna lay that out in front of me. Now that that's dried, I'm gonna be redoing this pony. So now I'm just retaking that pony. And I'm gonna redo it. There we have it, nice and tight. Now I'm gonna just spray this hair, the bottom, because by the time I get to the bottom, I want this hair to like blend in with the fake hair as much as possible. And this video is not gonna show you how to braid, so you must know how to braid already. If you guys need to learn how to braid, watch a video. I'm sure every girl knows how to braid. So I'm just gonna split my hair into 3, and I may do a voiceover for this part just because I cannot do this and talk at the same time. So I'm gonna start by braiding down my hair, and I'm gonna do that like 2 times. And as you can see here, when you want to add the hair is when you're ready to bring that 3rd piece in to lock it. So you always want to add hair when you're going to bring in your 3rd piece to lock your braid and continue on. So I'm going to grab the hair and add that into 2 pieces, and now I'm going to lock it. So now I have hair on one strand and hair on the other strand, but I'm missing hair on that one. So you see here, I'm missing hair on that piece, but I do have hair on the other 2 pieces. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add hair there, because we want to have hair on each strand at this point going down the braid. I hope you guys understand it, but now I'm gonna go ahead and take another piece of hair and add that in again. So now I'm adding it to 1 and 2, and now I'm gonna bring it over the other strand and lock that in. And now at this point, since I added hair to all 3 pieces of hair that is used to tie the braid, I'm gonna braid it down a little further before I add any more hair. So now that I'm almost reaching the bottom of my actual real hair, I'm gonna add another piece. And this is the thicker piece of hair, so the actual braid doesn't go from thick to completely thin. So I'm gonna add that in and braid all the way down. And now that I'm at the end of my real hair, I like to add some mousse to my ends, just so it doesn't pop out. It can be like nice and sleek. No hair is popping out of my braid. At this point, I did have to retract a little bit just because I noticed my hair was not even as I started braiding down. So you want to make sure you have even amount of hair on each strand as you braid, so it doesn't give you lumps and bumps. So that's what I started noticing, so I had to retract a little bit and fix that. And there you have it. I know it's probably not perfect. I'm not a hairstylist. Do not come for me. But pretty much I braid this all the way down. If you want to make it really, really super long, you can keep adding hair. But I like the length that I usually do it, which is like right by my butt. I really hope you guys were able to understand it. It's kind of hard to explain, but literally you can style it however you like. You can do a really high pony, you can play around with it. As long as you know how to attach the braid, you should be good. I like to leave a little bit on the end because I like to wrap it and dip it in like hot water so it could like curl on the end. And now I'm just gonna I might just keep it simple and just like it back like that. Alright, you guys, that is it. That is my braid. It's super easy to do at home. I hope you guys kind of understand it and you guys are able to do it. But it's super easy, and I bought the stuff. I'll link everything down below. I bought the hair on Amazon. It came with a lot of hair, and it's just literally one of my go-to hairstyles, especially if I don't have my hair straightened. It's just super easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video.